In today's video, I had about 20 minutes to run inside Goodwill and see what I could find to flip for a profit on eBay. While many people are complaining about the summer slowdown, stick around till the end of the video to see which items I sold for almost $100 on eBay, even during summer. It's Thursday. I'm heading out of town for the weekend, but I think I have about 20 minutes before I need to get home and finish things up. So I'm gonna run in Goodwill real quick and see what I can find. If I find anything good, I'll let you guys know. I grabbed a cart and headed to the new racks in the back of the store. They usually put out 7 new racks in this Goodwill a day, oftentimes all before noon. I do only have the one Goodwill in my town, so I hit it daily. So having fresh racks on the daily is a plus. There is a pair of Miss Me denim shorts size 24. Now they usually mark up Miss Me denim to $15, but those shorts were not marked up. They were $4.25, so I put them in my cart. Here is a pair of American Eagle denim shorty shorts. I did pick these up and put them in my cart. However, after further inspection, I put them back on the rack. That is a pair of Grace in LA denim jeans. I did not pick them up. However, I should have. I recently sold a pair of Grace in LA for about $80 that shipped internationally. Okay, so I think I stood in line longer than I was in the store, but I went through the new racks that they just pulled out and I picked up this pair of Miss Me shorts. It's $4.25. And then the Big Star denim jeans, also $4.25. So I was in there probably about 20 minutes. I spent less than $9 on both of these items, so I'm gonna go home and get them listed and see how I do. Many folks are talking about the summer slowdown. I do not believe a summer slowdown is a thing. I think it all depends on what you sell. Both of these denim items sold within 30 days of listing. Now I do cross-post all of my items from eBay to Poshmark, Mercari, and Facebook, so I do believe that accounts for the boost in my sales, whether it's summer or otherwise. If you're not already using List Perfectly, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and give it a try. You can use my code pieceofscrap to save 30% off your first month's subscription. There's no obligation and you can cancel at any time. This is an affiliate link, so I get a little kickback if you use my code pieceofscrap. Look for the link to List Perfectly in the description below. The Miss Me denim jeans were listed for 4 days and sold on Poshmark for $40. I paid $4.25 for these denim shorts. The Big Star denim jeans were listed for about 3 weeks. I paid $4.25 for these. I accepted a best offer of $35 plus $12 shipping on eBay. So the buyer was $47 all in. Okay, so I spent about 20 minutes in Goodwill that day. That's all the time I had. I picked up 2 items, Miss Me shorts and Big Star denim jeans. Both of these items sold within the last 30 days. The Miss Me denim shorts actually sold within 4 days for $40, and the denim jeans about 3 weeks for $47. So my $9 investment flipped to almost $90 within 1 month. Keep in mind that this $90 number is the gross sales. This does not account for any fees or taxes. So many other resellers on YouTube are stressing about the summer slowdown and sales are slow and blah, 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 blah. As you can see here, it's not really a summer slowdown if you're selling the right things. So subscribe to my channel to see what sells on eBay even during summer slowdown. I do hope you learned something from today's video. If so, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And while you're at it, click that subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified when my next video is released. Continue watching and I'll catch you next time.